Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So, a lot of people were pointing at Michael's had the 70% off this week. Mine had the 70% off last week. This week was just 50% off. But anyway, I did pick up this doily for $1.50. Just for decorations, and it was red. I picked up these little tassels for $1.29 on the clearance aisle. These were 70% off, and I think I got 3 of the hellos, so they were like 60 cents. Some more keys, 60 cents, and some iridescent flowers, 60 cents. I got this on clearance. I think it was 6 and some change for this bow. Not bow. What do you call it? Butterfly. Nice size. This is 1 3/4 inch butterfly, and it was I think it was a $20 punch, or $20 or $29 punch, but I got it for less than that. Oops! I got me some gold flowers. I had my 50% off coupon on this, so I paid like $2 and some change. Got some more of this fun fur with gold and white in it for $1 and some change, $1.49. This is another one, $1.49. Some little fun trim to use on some stuff, and they had all the Cricut cartridges, not all of them, all the ones that I saw were on clearance, and this is their old ones, but 700 images. I don't have ornamental iron 2. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but as long as I don't open it, I can take it back with my receipt. So I'm just looking to see if I want to keep this or not. And it has a font. It has 700 images. Lace 1, 2 font. Base shadow, lace 1 shadow, and lace 2 shadows. So I'm just gonna go look through it. And like I said, 700 images. I may or may not keep that one. This one, I meant to put this back. I was talking to an older lady. She was 75 years old. Just came in and we randomly started talking because we were picking up items that were red and black, and she started telling me about a wedding she was planning for, and we sat there and talked for like an hour about her love for red and black and all the different stuff she had done with it. And I meant to take this out. And then she was talking to me at the checkout line. And I totally meant to take this back because I do have this cartridge. I just couldn't find my book, but I found my cartridge. So I'm gonna take that back. The other thing, I went to Hobby Lobby. Oh, so when I was at Michael's, I also saw that they have, remember when, was it We Are Memory Keepers came out with the stamp press last year? The blue one. Was it We Are Memory Keepers, American Crafts, whichever one it was, or the same company that came out with a new one. So they have a new one now that's out, and it's $29.99 in Michael's. And I meant to take a picture of it, but it's small. It's not much bigger than the one they had. Hampton Arts. It was Hampton Arts that had one. So American Crafts have one out now, and Michael's as well, in case you're looking for one. But while I was there, I went to go visit my mom for Father's Day. Or stepdad, and I stopped at their Hobby Lobby, and I found the stamp platform, and it was on sale. I was trying to use my 40% off. I didn't realize it was on sale, so I only got 30% off of it, but whatever. It was $40, and I got it for $27. But it's bigger than the one I have. I like the platform. It's a lot bigger, so it gives you room to do it 8.5 by 11. So I thought I would try that out. So you've seen this before, the stamp platform by Tonic, Tim Holtz design. And then I did pick up 2 other things I hadn't seen in my store, but they were on sale 40% off. And this is a 3-way corner punch. So it was 10 on sale for 40% off. And it just has a different rounders, this is easier for me to carry the crops versus me having to carry my big We Are Memory Keepers hand crunch ones. And this gives me 3 different decorations, plus just extra little tool. And then I got, I got this one too. It's also 40% off. And this gives you that hole punch like that. Like if you wanted to make gift bags and stuff like that, you can put that slot in there. So I thought that was cool for hanging up stuff as well. So I got all of those from Hobby Lobby, and that is it, I believe. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.